selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
Here we have a 1990 Lotus Elan 1.6 SE Turbo. Only 68,000 miles on it. It presents in fabulous condition throughout. We've done a large amount of recommissioning work on this, including new timing belt and brakes, and it's got an NCT till 8th 2023. A great little sports car. Kumho tyres are fitted on the OZ alloys, and the soft top is in good condition. Inside it has this attractive multi-coloured leather interior. It's 5-speed manual. Seats are in good condition for their 32 years. Also the door cards, same matching leather. Carpets are good. Dash has no cracks in it. And the driver's door card. 68,000 miles just clocked up. It's a leather steering wheel, power steering, air conditioning, stereo CD, clean little boot, and a very tidy engine bay. Just been fully serviced and we've replaced the timing belt. All the original stickers are still here. Underneath, it's also very tidy, backbone chassis, stainless exhaust, all in good condition, very dry. Comes with a complete original toolkit, the owner's handbook that contains the service schedule, a lot of stamps here, and comes with a big thick history file. Also comes with workshop manuals and an NCT till January 23.
Let's go for a little spin. High-speed manual, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Really nice tight gearbox there. She's power steering, plenty of feel in it. This really is a car you can chuck around. It's in great condition. Turbo boosts well. A really good example of a low-cost sports car.
Price for this car is €13,950. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.